Oh shit, what was with that laugh? Oh my god. Okay, hey love, hi, how are you? So इससे पहले कि I start the live, I was going to live the start. It's wrong. इससे पहले कि I start my live, I really clearly wanna tell you guys that there are so many accounts that I can't see when I'm live. मेरे को कितने लोगों का messages बाद में आता है कि you know in DMs that why couldn't you reply to our messages and everything, but I actually can't see half of your messages, so you can try. If I can see your comment, I will definitely reply, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to talk to you guys, of course. So I was cycling, and then I came upstairs, then I got a little, you know, I freshened up, and then I thought ki what? Amay? Senu, Seema, Komant, what are you writing? Amay nahi samajh mein aa raha mujhe. Senex treasure. Hi, your hair, oh my god, thank you. You guys are writing Noah Centennial to join this live, that's cute. Yoo-hoo! 1 second. Where is that? Yoo-hoo! Big bad vampire out here. Okay. Hey, how are you? I have been good. Goa trip was excellent, and that's when I was live, I think, the last time. The trip was great. बहुत मजा आया. You know, me, mom, dad, we had the time of our life, and it was, to be very honest with you guys, it was a family trip after a long time. You know, it was like बहुत दिनों बाद हमने कोई trip plan किया. It was like a no work trip, so that was like after a long time. And there's no case of corona there, so you know it was quite nice to, you know, to look at people without masks and everything. Everybody was, you know, enjoying there. The place I was staying was beautiful. View was great. Sunset I could see. बहुत मजा आया. And then I came back, and then I've been working on some things. You know, I've been working, and then I've been having a good time at home, spending time at home with, you know, my parents, my friends, Sindra, of course. And I'm really liking all the edits, guys. जो भी edits आप बना रहे हो, and all the comments that I see on my posts, and you know, I try to be as much as possible active on DMs. It is kind of impossible because there are so many people you know, who are messaging me on DM, but it's just really great to see that there's so much love from so many people. Yeah, we were talking the night before. Next thing I know, you're in Goa. It was a surprise trip for me, to be very honest. So my mom and dad planned this, and then one night back, एक रात पहले मेरे को बोले, you know, that we are going to Goa. So then I, you know, I had to set all things up, what I'm gonna wear and everything. So it was a surprise for me as well. Hi Zoha. Hi. Naitik Chauhan. So today I went to my college for the first time, and now from tomorrow I have to start attending online classes, which I'm looking forward to. Like, you know, I'm really excited देखने के लिए, मतलब कि क्या होने वाला है and how it's gonna be, because it's a very different experience because it's college. But yeah, really excited. Much needed time off with the family. Definitely, really, actually, you know, guys, I really needed that time with my family that time, and now I'm, you know, that's why I always tell you guys that it's so important to be happy, and it's so important to, you know, have that peace of mind, because after all, if you ask me what's like my number one priority in life, it's always to be happy and, you know, be at peace, because without that you can't work, without that you can't live, you can't do anything. So, you know, that was a trip for me to relax and chill, and then, you know, be back the way I used to be. So yeah, I'm back and everything's good. And before going to Goa, I was spending time with my friends. Like Amay was there. I met Amay. I met so many of my friends, Nidhi, Keisha. I met Simdim. So I had a really good time. That week was great, and even after that, and then I've been seeing so many edits. मतलब पहले भी before going to Goa भी जो भी edits मैंने देखे, when I was sick also, so many edits और इतना सारा प्यार आप लोगों ने दिया. It just helped me recover faster in fact. So yeah, I'm just very happy to be back and very thankful to have you guys, of course, because you guys have मतलब आप लोगों को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए मुझे कि आप it was really big of you guys to support me that time. I'm a great fan of you. Thank you so much. Yeah guys, college, I'm actually studying filmography, so I'm very excited. It's called first year FYBA FT NMP. This is the course that I'm doing. It's filmography basically, in short. So I'm very excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna start, so I'm gonna let you guys know about that. Hi Zainab, what's up? Hi Anushka Seen, not big fans. Hello, hi. Oh, that's a new page that I'm seeing. Senushkians. That's kind of creative. Hi Senushkians. What is your name, Senushkians? Then only I can take your name. Unique AF course she has picked. I didn't even know ऐसा कोई course है. Fire selection. Thanks Pandya. I know, right? I mean, always fire selection and everything. So I love how I kept the peace sign for about 2 minutes. What's wrong? Oh my god. Hi ma'am. Hello sir. What's up? You came to Goa. I saw you. I met so many. I did meet quite a few people there in Goa. कितने लोग आए मुझे वहाँ पे बीच पे. They said कि मैम हमने आपको देखा स्टोरी पे, and they came from I think for what 40 kilometers. No 80 kilometers I think. है ना? 80 kilometers दूर से they came to just meet me, and it's so sweet. मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा ना, मतलब it's just very sweet. Thank you. And it's okay. It's okay, guys. Take your time. I know the story behind the course selection. So not your selection. It is my selection. It is my selection. So yeah, there's so many people Goa में I could meet. मज़ा आया मुझे. And I'm so happy कि it's a big deal for me because I was in South Goa, so people were coming from North Goa. They were coming from far, and they were telling me they just came to say hi to me. Just so sweet. Thank you. So if anybody who's watching, like anybody who met me is watching, thank you so much. See, right now I'm not traveling anywhere right now. But if I'm traveling anywhere, I'll let you guys know. I almost took a flight because surprise mila, you only came back. Huh? समझा नहीं मुझे. I didn't get you. I wish I could meet you one day. अरे of course, क्यों नहीं? She doesn't come to Thakur village. What? She'll come to Patna. Why will I not go to Patna? I will go to Patna. I can go to anywhere. I will, guys. Now there are location requests. So all the location requests like Kerala, Patna. Hi to you all from Mumbai, and I'll meet you guys soon. I'm so looking forward for all the events to start again. When events will start, I'll meet you guys. Now I'm gonna have some fruits if you guys don't mind. My mom says hi. Oh God. Hello Anu. Hi. Anushka, if you ever come to Dubai, I'm still holding on to meeting you. Definitely. Definitely. Oh yeah, I can see your comments, seeing the edits. How's uncle auntie? They're good. They're doing great. They're happy. Okay, I'll convey everybody's regards to my mom and dad. For sure. My hair ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है सोफा में? Okay. Anusha, can you say hi to Busangana? Hi Busangana, what's up? I love how people are giving me location requests. Thank you guys. Yeah, you shall remember Purvi. Can you show your whole outfit? How will I show? I'm just figuring that out. Wait. I'm actually wearing like basic, but I'll still show you. Let me stand up. Ow. Okay. Wait. I think if I keep it here, you can see. This don't fall. If my phone falls, I'm gonna feel very bad. पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. I think from here. How am I supposed to? Where am I supposed? Can you hold this, Mama? They want to see the whole outfit. Can you just hold it like this? Thanks. That's all. That's all. Okay. Light नहीं आ रहा है चेहरे में. So this is my whole outfit, guys. Sick. Thanks, Mom, for the contribution in my life. Did you guys see the whole outfit? Yeah, I got to know. अभी मेरे को मालूम है. Now you are saying कि now अभी बोलो आंटी को पकड़ने के लिए. See now everybody has seen the entire outfit. You guys happy? This is my favorite type of outfit. Honestly. Oh my god. I made same outfit thumbnail for my edit. Is it? Oh wow, that's cool. Anushka Sen is a mood. Always. 100%. 100%. Thanks for fulfilling my wish. You're welcome. Well, it's so comfy. Of course, comfy first. And comfy plus style is the perfect outfit. है ना? हमेशा. Why am I saying इतना मतलब I don't know. See, and all the people, if you're thinking that I was wearing shoes or chappal, I was wearing nothing. I was barefoot. That's why I climbed the sofa. And also Goa pics. ये नहीं हो रहा है. 1 second. हाँ. Also Goa pics. There are so many. All the like responses that I got. You guys liked those pictures so much. I was so happy. I was sharing posts because I was enjoying so much in Goa, and all the pictures I was liking, and I was enjoying to click pictures there. It was so clear, the sky, the weather was so clear. तो इतना मजा आ रहा था फोटो खींच के. I really wanted you guys to see, like guys देखो, and you guys also really liked it. So yeah. Yeah, we miss Goa. Me too. Ma'am, কেমন আছো? আমি ভালো আছি. Your photography. Why did I say it so angrily? I'm ভালো আছি. Your photography in Goa. Thank you so much. It was so pretty, Goa. मन कर रहा था कि just click pictures of the sky. It's so pretty. By God, guys, if you're going somewhere, please go to Goa. अनुष्का मेरे comments दिख रहे हैं. हाँ, I can see your comments. Your current favorite color? Ooh, lavender. I recently discovered that it's one of my favorite colors. See, my favorite color is grey, but one of my favorite colors would be lavender because I really like the way that outfit turned out. So yeah, I'm just gonna say lavender right now. When is your Goa vlog coming? Pretty soon. I'm editing it, so we're gonna see it very soon. You're gonna see the Goa vlog soon. So guys, if you don't know, I have a YouTube channel. You can go subscribe to it. It's called Anushka Singh Official, and do subscribe because I'm gonna put my Goa vlog and something more interesting. So stay tuned. Can't wait. Yeah, just I think this week or next week mostly. I'll let you know, but it's like on the way. Yeah, I can see your comment, Sharanya. What's your favorite Bollywood movie? See, I don't know. Ooh, I was watching Devdas. I'm not saying it's my favorite Bollywood movie, so, but I'm just saying. Okay, I was watching Devdas and I really had fun because somebody suggested me. I don't remember who, but somebody suggested, and also a lot of people like told me कि अरे Devdas कैसे नहीं देखा? You know, it's one of the most iconic films, I think. So that's why I was watching and I had fun. It was good, I mean. But my favorite Bollywood movie is, I don't know, there's so many of them. There's Om Shanti Om, there's Queen, there's Tanu As Manu Returns. There's so many movies that I really like. I mean, so Chennai Express and so many movies. I mean, all the movies. All Bollywood movies are something that you just sit and enjoy. So. What are you watching right now on Netflix? I was watching Mismatched, which I really enjoyed. Then what did I watch? I watched Christmas. Princess Switch again, which was interesting again. And I also watched Christmas Chronicles. So I've been watching Christmas movies. So don't come at me. I mean, Christmas is near. So Christmas Chronicles was so cute. मेरे को मजा आया. बहुत मजा आया मुझे देख के. And I was watching it with mom also, so it was fun. My mom is laughing. Did you hear that? I made her watch Zabardasti. I was like, come watch. I'm watching alone. So she's like, chalo, theek hai. Do watch Prison Break. Oh, suggest me some new songs, no? I've been listening to a few songs, but I think I really need some new songs. Hi Ekta, I told you ना some comments are ऐसे गायब हो रहा है. Hi Ayan, what's up? कैसे हो? आप कैसा मजा आ रहा है दुबई में? I've been seeing your pictures and Jannat's pictures. I'm really enjoying it. I hope you guys are safe and having fun. Myself Prabhi. Hi Prabhi. Palak. Also guys, I'm on Gaana, so if y'all don't know, you can follow me on Gaana as well. I can share sometime. I can share the swipe up also. I forgot, but I'll share the swipe up and you can follow me on Gaana as well. Hi Bablu. That Christmas Chronicles was काफी ज़्यादा प्यारा movie. I know that. I know, right? It was so cute, that movie. I had so much fun watching it. Even the part 2. So I didn't watch part 1. तो मैंने दोनों देखा एक साथ. मेरे को बड़ा मज़ा आया. Honestly. By the way, what are you eating? I'm eating fruits. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Papaya. And this is प्यारा. प्यारा नहीं बोलते ना, कुछ और बोलते हैं हिंदी में. हाँ? अमरूद and papaya. आई कॉल इट प्यारा. हम लोग घर पे प्यारा बोलते हैं. प्यारा से तो अच्छा भी साउंड करता है ना. मतलब अमरूद इज व्हाट इट्स लाइक, आई डोंट नो, आई मीन अमरूद इज, बट प्यारा इज क्यूट. नो, why are you laughing at me? I'm making a point. We should call it प्यारा. I am calling it प्यारा only. So guys, you also call it प्यारा. Oh my god, so many emojis. Thank you. प्यारा बहुत क्यूट नाम है. सी, देखो, knew it. अमरूद नो. सी, आई नो राइट. कॉल इट प्यारा. देखो देखो, आई लाइक दिस. Ow, something went in my eye. 1 second. मैं चौके कैसे ढूंढे यार. मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है. वाओ, ये ज़ैनब, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग ऑन योर बर्थडे? हैप्पी डिसम्बर क्वीन. माई बर्थडे मंथ. या, योर बर्थडे इज ऑल्सो कमिंग. हाउ कूल यार. आई मिस माई बर्थडे नाउ. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट बर्थडे. But I had so much fun on my 18th birthday. I mean, shit, बहुत मजा आया. Now I'm excited for my 19th birthday already. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Neeraj Mehta. Have a great birthday. Oh, that was Khushi. Bring Smash back, please. I want to go there with a friend. I love how Khushi you are writing this to me like I have taken Smash back. I can't get Smash back. I really want Smash. We made a plan also, yaar. Khushi, do something, no? You can do. You're the Don. You can do. Yes, Sharanya. Woo. Happy birthday in advance. कब है आपका बर्थडे? मेरा बर्थडे बहुत दूर है. 4th अगस्त को है. So happy to see you live. Thank you, Ekta. Hi. Somebody wrote hi with like million eyes. Can you say hi, Sahil? 1 second. Hi, Sahil. Hi, Kritika. Hi, Swastika. Hi, Rishita. Abhi, Asmita, Nadia, Neil, Sharanya, Ayush. Sup? Smiling Anushka looks the prettiest. Thank you. Thank you. Hi Anushka. Hi Shataksi. How are you? हो गया मेरा. खा दे. बर्थडे को पार्टी दोगे ना? डेफिनेटली, आप आओ, पार्टी दूंगी मैं. इतना पहले से प्लान कर रही हूँ तो फिर वाई नॉट, है ना? पार्टी क्यों नहीं? हैव यू प्लेड अमंग अस? नो, आई हैव नॉट. I don't know about it as well. I just have seen the memes and I've seen those imposter memes, but I hardly understand that because I have not played it. तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. तो let's see. देखते हैं. You're savage. Thanks, Ekta. Thank you. So many people, messaging. I'm sure कि बहुत से messages मैं नहीं देख पा रही हूँ. Thank you so much. आप लोग इतना मेरे को message कर रहे हो and everything. There's so many messages I can't see. It's just so sad. Why you always in the mood? You know, like I'm brand new. Oh, okay. Sachin Sharma, hi. Oh, I was looking forward to making an Among Us edit. That's why I asked. Like, I have to gain knowledge about that. I really don't know about it. I think Papaya got stuck here. Good morning? No, it's 6:30. It's 6:30. Now I'll tell you my plan also. I'll go down and I go exercise करना है and everything. There's so many things I have to do. So how morning नहीं है ये. You look drop dead gorgeous. Thank you. Really like this t-shirt. Really like this design. It's the most comfy thing I can wear. It's okay, Bhusangana. It's okay. You look so pretty. Thank you, Adi. Thank you. Morning in America. Right. So good morning, America. Hi, Peval, Pavan. Hi, Anushka. How are you? I'm good, Ehsan. How are you? Hello, Satakshi Gupta. Hi, Adnan. You're adopting Billie Eilish's dressing style. I really like the way she styles herself. I mean, it's unique. So, I mean, that I really like. And I've always really liked oversized. You know, I've been wearing oversized since, I don't know, it's been really long. I mean, 2-3 years. I really like oversized stuff. It's been 2-3 years. I really like oversized, you know, sweatshirts and hoodies. Big fan of oversized. Just really cool and very comfy. So what is Sindra doing? Let's see. She's sleeping. She's taking a nap. अनुष्का जी कैसे हो? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए आप कैसे हैं? Someone to you. I know. See, it's a very good song, no? I knew it. I've seen your stories where you have like put that you are liking that. I love that song. I really like that song. Hi, Sanchita. I'm your biggest kid fan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm checking hashtags. I'll check the hashtags again. Me and Anushka and Spy are posting a collab after this live. Yay! I'm gonna check. She's sleeping. Yeah, she is. Can you say something in Bengali? কেমন আছো? কি করছো? আমি ভালো আছি আর আমাকে খুব ভালো লাগছে লাইভ এসে. Anushka, Someone to You is kinda TVD song. Right? It has that vibe. Oh, Ikta, okay, take care. Hi, Singh Prateek. What's up? Hey, Anushka into admirer. What's up? Check DM after live. I will, for sure. Hello, Anushka Sen. Hi, Mizu. Hi, Farid Khan. मेहर कैसी हैं आप? मैं ठीक हूँ. Hi, Akshat. Hi. Have you watched The 100? No, I have not. Okay, I'll try to add some people. I'll add Zainab. I haven't went live. Never went live with Zainab, did I? Let's see. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. How are you, Zainab? I think I'm not went live with you, no? कभी live नहीं है मैं आपके साथ.
नहीं एक दफा आई थी.
है ना?
शुरू
शुरू
yes.
में बहुत दिन हो गया I think. कैसे हो आप?
So how are you? What's up?
I'm good.
I'm
I'm
so
good.
nervous.
It's okay. Just
Anushka, you know, I also watched that movie, The Christmas Chronicles, and it's so good. Like, और जब मैं
try.
देख रही थी ना, I was literally remembering you that time.
Oh, thank you. I also had really fun watching the movie. बहुत मजा आया. It was very sweet and after a long time I watched a Christmas movie. So yeah, it was fun.
Yes, and I'll watch the part 2 tomorrow.
Oh, I watched part 1 and part 2 the same day. No, I think next day I watched part 2. But yeah, it was fun. Watch part 2 also. It's very nice.
Yes, I will. And did you saw that Snapchat filter? It's really cool. I don't know if
Yeah,
someone made it.
that I have a Snapchat filter as well. It's so nice. I'll probably take a picture and put it on Instagram.
Yes, please, we need a picture in that filter of you.
Definitely.
Like that.
Definitely. Thank you, Zainab. Thank you for joining and take care.
Bye. Thank you for adding me. Love you.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi. Hello, Meher ma'am. Hi, Shruti. Hello. Let's add Shruti. Chalo. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? मैं क्या कर रही थी इससे पहले? आई वाज साइकिलिंग. मैं साइकिल कर रही थी. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा साइकिल करके. I'm adding somebody else. Let's see if they take it or not. Miss Shruti Meshram. हेलो जिनशा. हेलो. थिंक श्रुति को हम ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. और क्या क्या रिक्वेस्ट आया है? Who should we add? I mean, I'm trying to add somebody who I've not spoken to. So thank you for adding. Oh my god. Oh, it's okay. Your favorite fast food? My favorite fast food would be I think I really like burgers, and I really like chicken nuggets. Really like pizza, of course. Pizza is like my favorite. So, yo, what's up? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna add her. Sindra. Cutie. Hi. Oh, you're stuck. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine too. Why did you leave your show?
I was very sick. That's why I had to leave the show. I was very, very sick. That's why. My health was deteriorating. So my doctor advised me to take rest. So I was on bed rest for 10 days.
Can I take a screenshot?
Definitely.
Thank you. Thanks for adding me.
Oh, you're welcome. Hi Rajesh. Hello. Hello. Hi Ishika, Soni, Lakshmi Shukla. Let's see Lakshmi Shukla. Oh, so many people want me to add. I am trying to add more people in my life.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसी हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
आप कैसी हो?
आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हो?
यूपी.
यूपी. क्या नाम है आपका?
श्रुति।
श्रुति, कितने साल की हो आप श्रुति?
12 साल के।
12 साल के हो आप? Aw.
आप कितने साल?
को आप ऐसा देख सकते हैं।
आपकी मम्मी है वो, उनको हाई बोलना मेरा।
अच्छा दीदी है वो मेरी।
दीदी को भी हाई बोलना मेरा।
दीदी पढ़ाई कर रही है, बोलो बोलो।
हेलो
हेलो,
हेलो
पूछो
हेलो,
किस क्लास में पढ़ती हो?
आप किस क्लास में पढ़ती हो?
मैं कॉलेज में हूँ, फर्स्ट ईयर।
अच्छा, बीएससी या बीकॉम?
हाँ, मैं कर रही हूँ फिल्मोग्राफी।
अरे
इतना मैं बताइए यस बोलिए।
चलो ठीक है, बाय
बाय।
बाय।
बीएससी कर रही है।
स्वीट यार, कितना कितना अच्छा लगता है ना सबसे बात करके। हाय सिद्धांत, हाय, हेलो, व्हाट्स अप। हेलो, आई एम फ्रॉम इंडोनेशिया, हाय। हाय अंकिता चौधरी। So many people sending requests, so thank you so much guys for coming live with me, and I really had fun to talk to you all. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप लोग इतने सारे एडिट्स बनाते हो, मेरे लिए इतने सारे कमेंट्स करते हो, डीएम करते हो, एंड मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं सबको रिप्लाई दूँ. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर all your love, and I really appreciate it. And take care. I'm gonna come live as much as possible, so bye bye.